Hello everyone, welcome to the home of African names. Today we are sharing beautiful Xhosa names for twin girls. Without further ado, let's begin. Our first names are Anothando and Anovuyo. These names express the love and the joy that the parents felt at the time of the twins' birth. Our following names are inspired by nature. We have Liana and Iyana. These names are inspired by rain. In Xhosa culture, rain represents blessings. Next up we have Lona Lunje and Luhle Lunje. Lona Lunje means love is like this. Luhle Lunje, on the other hand, means love is beautiful like this. Our following names are sourced from a popular Xhosa saying that is used to express gratitude. We have Ngazibini and Zozibini. These names come from the Xhosa saying Ndibamba ngazo zozibini. If you are looking for uplifting names, then you should consider our following names. We have Zitande, which means love yourself. We also have Zingce, which means take pride in yourself. Our following names are short, sweet, and inspirational. We have Unako, which means you are able. We also have Onako, which means one who is able. Kwatita and Kwakhanya are next on our list. They both mean light has appeared. Our last names for today are Iyakha and Uyakha. Iyakha Inkosi, Uyakha Uthixo. They both mean God builds.